How to unlink account from EA to Steam. Now, unfortunately, you won't be able to run the whole process by using the Steam software application, but you will be still be able to unlink it, but you're going to be using your EA account instead. So basically, the whole process is going to be done via EA or Electronic Arts. Head into their website and make sure to log in into your account. Access your account settings by clicking your profile and go to account settings. Now you will be asked to verify your identity by giving out specific codes onto the email address that you use to link on your EA account. Now go to connected accounts, and if you scroll down a bit, you should be able to see on the field that says link. If your Steam is connected from here, just simply choose on unlink and hit on confirm. And that's how you unlink your EA account on Steam.